Seville Classics utility shoe racks feature simple yet functional designs with versatile uses almost anywhere, including entryways, closets, laundry rooms, pantries, garages, or offices. One can store not only a variety of shoes, but just about anything, including canned and dry goods, cleaning supplies, and even books and clothing. Constructed of sturdy steel frames with adjustable shelves, these utility racks are available in a variety of durable finishes, including mocha, satin cocoa, silver, and satin pewter. Depending on the unit, shelves may be positioned flat or slanted. With 2 or more units, even more personalization is possible with vertical stacking. And select models allow for horizontal interlocking expansion for the creation of modular storage systems. Seville Classics' patented utility shoe racks provide a uniquely customizable storage solution for your shoes and just about anything else.
At Whitmor, we understand your passion for simplifying your life in the way that's best for you. That's why, since 1946, our passion has been to do one thing and one thing only: to design and produce the many things that help you organize your life. From our humble beginnings in Brooklyn, through our migration down south to Earle, Arkansas, where we manufactured our products for over 40 years, and now to our vast design and distribution center near Memphis, we've kept one thing top of mind: you. We understand you're your own person and you have your own system, and chances are no 2 yous are the same. So when designing and manufacturing the storage, organization, and laundry accessory products you use, we make every effort to ensure that they're functional and easy to assemble, but most importantly, that they are exactly the quality that you expect and deserve. All of our products are produced with best-in-class design and manufacturing standards, and everything we sell undergoes stringent testing at all phases of development, from packaging and shipping materials down to the smallest of component parts. And if you need any help putting something together, or you have any questions whatsoever, we've got you covered. We have a full-time consumer care team standing by at our headquarters, ready to assist you with any of our thousands of products. It's what we do. As a matter of fact, it's quite literally the only thing we do, so we do it right. Remember, you're the reason we exist, and we have a passion to serve. So when designing your new laundry room, realizing your next weekend storage project, or just helping the kids organize their space, keep us in mind. Find a better order with Whitmor, bringing organization home. Everything in just the right place.